What's going on? Matt Rinke here from Illumination Wealth, and I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this. So I wanted to pick up on the conversation that we've been having over the past few weeks with our real estate investor series. And I think it's really important as an entrepreneur and as an investor that you understand what you're getting when you work with a financial advisor when it comes to your overall financial life and the way that you interact with your investments and your overarching investment strategy. You see, what we found is that most financial advisors have been trained in the area of sales, and they've been trained in the area that they can sell products to, whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, the traditional investment products. And that's pretty much where the extent of their experience with investing stops. But we know as investors ourselves that there's way more out there than simply those financial products that can help you build wealth and that can help fit your investor DNA. And one of those areas that's very important, we've seen work for many people, is the real estate investment asset class. And so we understand ourselves that this is extremely powerful when done correctly. It offers some unique tax advantages that other investments don't, and it provides another way to go about building financial freedom. And so when you start to think about your advisors in your life, be it financial planners, wealth advisors, whatever you want to call them, you need to find if they're going to serve you in the capacity that you need. So first of all, when we start to think about how your financial advisor can help you when it comes to your real estate investment strategy, is that they need to understand your goals in life. They need to understand who you are as a person, where you want to spend your time. They also need to understand the returns and the investment that on the investments that you need in order to be able to reach your goals. So when building out your overarching investment strategy, they should be able to help you figure those things out. How many properties do you need to be financially independent? What is the return on investment and the cash on cash return that you need to generate enough passive income to where you're financially free? That's where a really good financial advisor will step in. And beyond that, they should be able to also assist in developing your overriding investment strategy. There's many different ways to invest in real estate. You could invest in private notes. You can invest in single family homes. You could invest in residential real estate through multifamily apartments. You could invest in commercial properties or office spaces or mobile homes. There's a plethora of ways to invest in real estate, but there's only going to be one that really uniquely suits you. So it's important that you get that right, and it's important that you know whether you want to be an active investor or a passive investor. It might not be the time in your life to spend up fixing up homes on the weekends when you've got a career and a family that generates a higher return on your life than those other investments. So your financial advisor should be able to help you articulate that investment strategy. Are you active and are you passive? Now, if you're going to be a passive investor, he should have the ability, or she should have the ability, to introduce you to other real estate investors where you could be an investor in their deals, where you're not necessarily having to do the work yourself. Now, that could be very powerful if you find a very good team to add to your investment portfolio, and you can invest in the deals that they do and that they specialize in, leaving you to do the things that you specialize in and where you get the most enjoyment and fulfillment out of. So that's very important that your financial advisor has those relationships and connections to help you and also to help you articulate that strategy. Now, another thing is, if you're an active real estate investor, you should have a financial advisor that can help you analyze deals. That should be a third party, an objective set of eyes to help you determine, does this investment actually fit your plan? Will it help you generate the return that you want? Is it worth the risk that you're taking? Do you understand all that's involved in the underlying project so you're not flying blind on it? That's where a really good and exceptional financial advisor will help you. Now, beyond that, other areas where your financial advisor can really help you step in is if they know your entire financial picture, they should be able to help you identify opportunities within your portfolio that may be a good time to sell that are no longer generating the returns, or if there's opportunities to refinance your portfolio, perhaps finding lower interest rates on your existing properties, things of that nature to help you manage your entire financial life. So those are where really broad-based financial planners can really help you fit in. And so, as I said, the last area really is they should be able to identify opportunities for you within the real estate portfolio, both through their team and making sure that you have a really good team behind you, because if you're going to be going off and identifying real estate investments on your own, you should make sure that you have the right lenders, that you have the right brokers that can bring you deals, because it's probably not going to be very easy for you to find deals on Zillow or on the MLS. Those things happen through relationships. So your financial advisor should help you bring and cultivate strong, powerful relationships. So I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this. I know there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of stuff that we just covered, but if you have any questions regarding your real estate investment strategy and how your financial advisor can help you take that to the next level, do not hesitate to reach out. Look forward to speaking to you more soon, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Be well. Bye.